What's up everyone? I'm Dr. Loendi from LegitBlueprint.com. Welcome back to my channel, the best place for affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs. Today I will be discussing 4 free ways to make money with Digistore24. I will talk about the promotion, how to make money with Digistore24, find products on Digistore to promote, and how to get your affiliate link from Digistore24 and how to promote your affiliate link the right way. Free ways to make money using Digistore24 products. So I'm excited to give you this information. I'm Dr. Loendi from LegitBlueprint.com. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell not to miss any of my forthcoming videos. So let's get into how to make money on Digistore24 and how to find quality products to promote on Digistore24. Here I'm logged into Digistore24. We can be a vendor and sell our own products, or we can be an affiliate, and I will be focusing today being an affiliate selling other people's products. And I will show you how to do this promotion the correct way. Now when you go into Digistore24 Marketplace to find products to promote as an affiliate, you will find it's very easy to navigate through the marketplace, the key figures of the marketplace, and links to the sales page and affiliate support page. As a beginner, you do not need tricky ways to get to things, and Digistore24 is a great platform. So let's look at a product. Digital products, and I'm going into internet marketing and e-business. And the product that I was researching is Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. And this is the product that I will promote. It cost $475.68, and if you promote this, you will get 50% commission, which is $182 plus 81 cents, which is not bad. Always research your products and make sure you are comfortable to sell them to your audience. Quality is the key, and that's why I have looked at this product, and this is one that I would love to share with my audience. So once you decided on a product, you see Promote Now, and then you will click on the Promote button. Matt has accepted your request. Okay, let's see. This is the link, but I'll show you what I get after it's approved. You will get a notification to say you have been accepted, and this is your link. As you can see, the link is quite long and ugly, so we have to make it neat and tidy before we can start thinking of promoting this link to our audience. Here I show you, this is how I made the link look now, and it's much better. I linked it to my LegitBlueprint.com, and I mentioned YouTube Mastery, which is the product I'm selling. How most beginners promote affiliate products is the wrong way, and that is why they wonder why they fail in affiliate marketing. This does not work anymore. If you just take your links and you put it on Facebook or any of your platforms and you just hope people would buy your products. This is the wrong way of advertising products by just putting links out. Remember, trust is important. We have to build trust with our audience. So trust is the most important part of affiliate marketing. Your audience should trust you. You should research the product and ensure value from what you sell to them. To be trusted is greater compliment than to be loved. And this is by George MacDonald. I always remember this quote when I think, what am I selling to my audience? We can use any platform in social media. No matter where we are, what we use, our audience will always love what we sell to them. So in social media, I'm showing you here how you can promote the right way. No matter in which platform you're promoting, but you never just put a link out and ask people to click. You first have to send them to an opt-in page, and this is very important as you will be collecting their emails. For future, you can always relate this email to other products that you feel like selling. So here you have the emails, and now after this you will send them to the product order page where they will buy the product. So the product order page is what you will send them to. And once they buy a product, you will make commission. So let me show you in my next process what is the correct way of selling products online from other stores. Here is also the different social media platforms. No matter which one you use, your links will be there. But this will relate back to getting the people to your opt-in page before you send them to the product order page. They will click on the link, go to your opt-in page where you give them something for free, or you just thank them for signing up. Then they will go to the product order page. But what I have found is that people sometimes lose track and they lose the product that they saw, and because they were busy and didn't complete this, I can send them an email reminding them that there's a product out there that they might be interested in. I can also use these emails for future products that I will promote. But sending them a reminder with the link might be a good thing, as they would buy my product if they're still interested. We're all busy with kids, we're busy in the office, we're busy at work, with anything, and we can't always finish the process. I found by the time you send them the first, the second, and sometimes maybe the third reminder, they still buy your product. And that's where the commissions come in. And this is what I mean by saying doing affiliate marketing the right way will give you money in your pocket. So let's look at free ways to promote digital products successfully. Now that you understand how to use the links and how to promote the product, let's look how we can do it further. First, if you go into Quora, you will see lots of people asking questions in Quora. Remember, no links, you will be banned and you will be blocked. But in Quora, you will find what people are looking for. This is an awesome way of finding people who are looking for something that you might be able to sell. The next product I prefer is YouTube traffic. This is free. You make a video and you link your links to the video and you send it your audience to look at your video, and they might decide to buy your product or share with their friends. Now the next process. You might have heard about the email list, and money is in your list. Using your email list, your opt-in page is giving you the email, is the best thing that you can do, as this gives you always access to your audience to promote products that they might be interesting to. So make sure you don't miss out on any emails from your audience. The last platform is using Facebook groups. Once you engage with Facebook groups and provide value to your Facebook groups and your audience, you will also see You will get a lot of free traffic visiting your channels and visiting your products, and they will buy because they trust you. And you did the hard work and the research, and you promoting good quality products to them that will be supporting their business. Affiliate marketing free training. I'm following a very good program with a 12-step free training that works for me. So if you're interested, I will be leaving the links below and you can check it out for yourself. So here is the 12-step free training that works for me. There's different tutorials with different modules, like getting started with 9 modules, choosing your niche, building your website, social media passive traffic, step 3, YouTube training, building your foundation, and so on and so on. And there's 12 of these modules that you can work through with all the different areas. So click the link and find out for yourself if this might be for you. So don't miss out. Check the links below. I'm Dr. Loendi from LegitBlueprint.com, where I provide advice, training, and reviews to help you create an online business. Do not miss any of my forthcoming videos. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell. Thank you for watching. See you next time on the other side of the screen.